Today on Fly Rod Chronicles, I am in beautiful Cabins, West Virginia at Harman's Cottages with my good friend Todd Harman. Join us as we have a great time fishing for rainbows and browns in the North Fork of the South Branch of the Potomac River. Stick around.
When I'm in here and I've fished this long and I haven't caught a fish, I don't catch fish. Usually when you're in here, when you pull a streamer through this area, they're either right on it or you just don't catch the fish.
There you go. These are good old West Virginia. I was going to say rainbow. Steve, what is that? These are brown trout. Look at this guy. That's a real pretty brown. Let's get him back in, Steve. All right. Look at this guy. November in West Virginia, baby.